Guys, welcome back. Today we get into a new formula on cell references. So today's formula that we are going to look into is row. As we saw column and columns, now we'll get into row. Now what row function does it as how a column does it, column gives you the column number, row gives you the row number of a cell reference. Now it takes only one argument, that is reference to a particular cell. This argument can specify only a single cell reference or range of cells. Yeah. Now this is again a versatile function that can be seamlessly used in functions like indirect, if, match, VLOOKUP, and array formulas. Yeah. So it is very, very dynamic function. Let's quickly understand the syntax, what it does. So the syntax is row. You open the brackets and you specify the cell reference, which is again an optional cell reference. So you have this cell reference, which if you put would give you the row number. So let's understand taking the same example, row I3, where we have column. So I'll just change it to row and you get the row number as 3 because we have selected I3, which is this cell category, which is in third row. Yeah, hence it is giving me the number or the value as 3. Wherein if we have used it as column, then it would have given you column number, which was 9 in a previous video, which you can go and see it. Yeah. So whatever you specify in the reference, yeah, or a range upon which you want to fetch a row number, you can use this particular formula or function. Yeah. So the row function, this was introduced in 2007. It was not previously available in a previous version. Yeah. So it needs to be properly used. Yeah. As I told you, it will give you the cell reference. Suppose I use this particular as column without any reference or argument. If I specify row and is equal to row and I do not specify any reference within it, it will give me the row number. So that is 5. So you can see I have typed this particular function in the 5th row. And since I have not specified any cell reference, it is giving me the current row in which this function is inputted. Yeah, so it is the 5th row, which we can see here. Hence, it is giving me the value as 5. That is 5th row. Yeah. What I can do is, suppose I want to create a table of 5 or 9. So what I can do is I can use this formula, yeah, and I'll say is equal to, let me go down a bit, is equal to row. I want for table of 9, suppose for this 10 rows. What I'll do is I'll say comma, I'll say 9, I'll close the bracket. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I have to specify into 9. And let's see what is the output it gives. So you can see it is giving me an output 9 nines are 63. Yes. Then it is taking me to the 8th column, 8 nines is 72 because the row is 8th. Yeah. So you understand it is as it is going down. So it is in the 7th row. So 7 into 9 is 63. 8th row, 8 into 9 is 72. Yeah. 9 into 9 is 81. 9 tens are 90. 9 11 is 99. 9 12 is 108. So accordingly, I can have a table of 9 bin populated here using the row. Yeah. So there are multiple ways you can use this function along with multiple other functions, or generate some exclusive output for yourself. But this is very important formula in terms of when you want to create some complex calculations or complex formulas which could be used for a specific purpose. So what row does? A row gets you the current row or a cell reference row which you have specified within the brackets. So if I specify any reference within the brackets, it will give me that row number. Or if I do not specify any cell reference, then it will give me the current row in which you have inputted the function. Hope I was able to make the concept clear on this particular function. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics within this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you will get notification about any future videos that I upload on YouTube. And also that will keep me motivated towards creating such free content. Thank you so much.